Hello guys, welcome to this week's analysis. Right, so hello guys, welcome to this week's analysis. So currently I've got USD Swiss franc right on display. Right, with USD Swiss franc on display. Right, there are a couple of things that I would like us to just take note of right before we start looking for areas where we'd like to get in and out of the market. Right, if we take a look at this, this is a clear bearish institutional order flow. Right, so we have price going to trade into order blocks, while taking out sell side liquidity, doing the same thing again, sell side liquidity. Right, this alone shows that the institutional order flow is bearish. Right, so it continues to do that until what exactly? Right, until we got this right here, which is this candle breaks market structure on the upside, right? And also we kind of broke this structure on the upside as well, right? So with this alone, if we had gotten quite a good move like that and then a retracement, it would be a better entry, a better trade in terms of taking out the buy side liquidity, right? So with this wicks in here, I'm not quite comfortable, but we'll keep on monitoring price, right? And then also, right, whilst we are on the same note, right, you can find out that even though we have price doing in and out like this, right, wanting to trade lower, right, occasionally we get something that comes out, right, and then trades back in like that, right? And in this case, I believe that that might be the case, right, whereby we still want to trade lower, at least lower to those that use trend lines to this zone here, something like this, and then we can start we can start buying. But we're not interested in that. We're only interested in what price is showing or giving us, right? With where price is at right now, I would still like them to come back to this point of origin, right? This order block right in here, right, before we can start thinking of buying or whatever that we'd like to do, right? So in the immediate zone, as soon as the market opens, we monitor how price behaves, and here, okay, we monitor how price behaves in there. If we get a sell, right, something like this, we break structure here, and then we come back. Now we come back in here. If we go on a lower time frame, we get sell set ups, right? We can use that as confluence, right, for confirmation for us to enter the sell, right? If we don't get that, we just ignore what they're doing, right? If they feel like they have gone into your range, it's time to expand outwards, it's still fine. We have to see clear buy, clear sell setups and sell programs on a lower time frame before we can get into this trade. So I guess this does it for USD Swiss franc for today.